Ever wondered how your dinner plate could be your next line of defense against blood clots? It's true. Certain foods possess an incredible power. They can act as natural blood thinners, helping prevent clot formation. These foods, filled with essential nutrients, work in harmony with your body, promoting smooth blood flow. They are your silent guardians, ensuring your well-being with every bite you take. Now let's dive into the world of these powerful foods. So, what's on the menu of these blood-thinning superfoods? Let's dive right in. First up, we have the humble garlic, a staple in many kitchens worldwide. Packed with compounds like allicin, garlic not only adds flavor to your dishes, but also aids in preventing blood clots. Next, we have the fiery ginger, a root known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It contains salicylates, the chemical found in aspirin, a well-known blood thinner. Now, let's talk about foods rich in vitamin E, a nutrient that can prevent clot formation. Foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach are all excellent sources of vitamin E. Remember, these foods are not replacements for prescribed medication, but can complement your diet for better heart health. Always consult with your healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. But that's not all. There's more to this story. Did you know it's not just what you eat, but also what you don't eat that counts? Indeed, when it comes to maintaining thin blood, certain foods and habits are best to avoid. Firstly, moderate your alcohol intake. While a glass of red wine can be beneficial for the heart, overindulgence can counteract the benefits of your blood-thinning diet. Next, be cautious with foods rich in vitamin K. Think green, leafy vegetables like kale and spinach. They're typically good for you, but they can interfere with certain blood thinners, making them less effective. Moreover, refrain from smoking. It's a habit that not only harms your lungs, but also thickens your blood and increases your risk of clot formation. Lastly, keep a close eye on your intake of cranberry juice as it can interact with blood thinners and increase bleeding risks. Remember, it's all about balance and moderation. It's not about completely eliminating these items, but rather being aware of their effects and consuming them wisely. So, ready to spice up your life with these life-saving foods? We've journeyed through the power of food, understood the heart's needs, and ventured beyond our plates. We've discovered that foods like garlic, ginger, and leafy greens aren't just tasty, they're potential lifesavers, acting as natural blood thinners. These everyday heroes in our kitchens play a vital role in keeping our bodies healthy. It's a simple change, but it can make a world of difference. Start today, because your health is worth it. Share your favorite blood-thinning food in the comments below.